Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the fastest and most efficient ways to link a page to another page inside WordPress without even touching your mouse. If you want to create smart, internal links in your posts or pages, speed up your workflow and keep your readers exploring your site with ease, you're going to love this 2025 feature. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the double bracket shortcut for superfast internal linking, a total game changer for WordPress creators. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. Whenever you're writing or editing a WordPress post or page, you'll often want to reference another post, a key resource page, or maybe a related article you've written. Ordinarily, you'd highlight your text, click the little link button, hunt around for the right page, and paste in a URL. It's a bit clunky and time-consuming. But with this shortcut, linking internally is as simple and quick as jotting down a note to yourself. Here's what to do. Inside any text block in the WordPress editor, place your cursor where you want your link to appear. Now, instead of reaching for your mouse, simply type two opening square brackets just like this. Then immediately begin typing the name of the page you want to link. As soon as you start, you'll notice that WordPress pops up a handy list, showing matched titles from your site's posts and pages. It's a bit like predictive text on your phone. WordPress is doing the searching work for you in real time. Let's pause for a second. The magic here is that you don't have to memorize URLs or remember exact slugs. Just type a few letters of the page's name, for example, about or contact, and you'll see the related pages appear instantly. This is super useful if you have lots of posts, or if your page titles are long and tricky to type out fully. Now, to select the right page, just use your keyboard's arrow keys to move up or down the list. Take your time scrolling through. If there are multiple matches, you want to be sure you're choosing the exact page you mean to reference. When you find it, simply hit enter on your keyboard. Instantly, WordPress will create a hyperlink right where your cursor was, using the page title itself as the link text. No extra clicking, no copy-pasting. No annoying hunt for the link icon. It's all streamlined so you can stay focused on your writing. This workflow doesn't just save you time, it also helps make your site more user-friendly. Internal links connect your content together, encouraging readers to explore more of your pages, which can keep visitors around longer and boost your SEO. And because the link text matches your page titles, your navigation stays clear, consistent, and easy to follow. If you don't see your desired page pop up in the suggestions, double-check your spelling and keep typing. Don't worry if it takes an extra moment for WordPress to catch up or to display a long list if your site's very large. Sometimes, just a few extra letters will zero in on exactly what you need. So next time you're working on a WordPress post, give the double bracket shortcut a try. It'll make your editing smoother and your internal linking almost effortless. Just type arrow key, enter, and you're done. That's all for today's tip. If you found this shortcut handy, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Maybe you've run into a tricky linking scenario and want advice. And be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.